Chapter 9. Going Downtown. Dear Abby, guess who I saw in a Washington newspaper? John! There he was, sitting at the lunch counter. An awful woman was screaming at him. I saved it. Can't wait till I can see it all for myself. Granny's better. We're coming home Saturday. Hooray! You are the bestest friend in the whole solar system. Patsy. Hey, girl, said Abby. It was Saturday morning. Are you home? Of course I'm home. I'm talking to you, aren't I? Patsy said, sounding sleepy. Our train didn't get in until 3 this morning. All I want to do is sleep. Patsy stopped talking and pretended she was snoring. Wake up! No time to sleep, Abby shouted into the receiver. There's work to do. The movement needs you. Okay, said Patsy. Later. Within the hour, Patsy was at Abby's house. It was February 27th, so they slapped hands, clapped twice, snapped their fingers twice, then touched elbows. What's happening? Abby asked, hugging her friend. Well, I'm glad no alien took you over. Did you get a big blue notebook in Washington? Asked Abby. Patsy shook her head. Nah, can you believe it? In the nation's capital, they'd never even heard of a big blue notebook. I'm still stuck with my old black one, I guess. Me too. When I went to buy a big blue at Harvey's, this is what happened. The whole time Abby was telling the story, Patsy held her head down. Her hand was clapped over her mouth. When Abby finished, Patsy said, No! You were standing there all alone, with those ugly people staring at you? It makes me so mad. I want to be in a sit-in right now. You can't, said Abby. You have to be 18. But we can make signs, pass out flyers, stuff envelopes, and help Mama serve the food. Abby could see Patsy didn't think any of that was exciting enough. Suddenly, a smile spread across her friend's face. You don't have to be 18 to see a sit-in, right? Abby was afraid of what Patsy was thinking. John says it's dangerous downtown. How bad can it be if his girlfriend is there? Patsy argued. Abby went to the window. It looks like it might storm. Patsy shrugged. Our mamas will kill us if they find out, Abby said. Patsy stood up. I'm going downtown. Coming or not?